In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a WhatsApp channel that you have actually created. So if you want to learn how to do that, watch the video until the end. So open your WhatsApp just like that, then you tap the update segment right there, and then the channel that you created is going to be surfacing underneath the channels option. You can see this dial bar is my channel that I'm going to delete. All you have to do is tap on it. Okay, when you tap on it, this is what is going to be shown on your screen. Okay, dial bar, then channel link and all that. So you tap right there, okay, where the name is, and then this is going to come up. Then you scroll there, scroll down where you see the word delete channel. Okay, so you tap on delete channel. Okay, after tapping on deleting channel, you see this is what comes on your screen. Channel will be permanently deleted, followers can see past activity and all that. So read through that, and then you're going to tap the delete option right there. Tap it. Now they are going to ask you to delete, confirm your country code and enter your phone number. So you put your country code, then you put your phone number right there. Okay, then after you tap on delete right there. So they're going to show you deleting. They show you delete channel deleted down there. Okay, so your channel has been deleted. Okay, that is how you delete a channel, a WhatsApp channel. Subscribe for more videos.